I decided to take sports medicine because I always knew that I wanted to go into the medical field, but then once freshman year hit, I was kind of iffy on it, and then got into HOSA, and then again, I just kind of knew that that's where I needed to be. I needed to learn more and get some hands-on experience with everything that was going on.
So I first heard that there was this class, like sports medicine, and I've always been interested in anything like healthcare related. So I decided to take it to see what it was all about. And then I really like fell in love with the class and like the anatomy and everything about it.
Personally, I think the coolest thing about sports med is the fact that you can go and work in the training room. And then once you do that, you're on the football field, you get in for free, which is pretty cool to all the games. Um, you're on the football field, basketball, all the games that you want, but you have to sit there and work. But you get to see some really cool things, some injuries, you just get to experience everything that goes on there.
So in sports medicine, what we do is we talk about rehabilitation, and then I drop into the training room sometimes to see, what's going on, and then I talk to the trainers there, and we discuss about rehabilitation plans for some athletes, or we watch some film and see like how to approach different like injuries.
I've learned that your first instinct is sometimes the best way to go. When someone else's kind of life, not necessarily life, but their care is in your hands, you need to be able to like step back and look at everything that you do and make sure that they're getting the best possible care that they need.
Something I learned in sports medicine is probably like patience, because like you can't like get like anatomy like the first day, or like understand how things work the first day. You need to like work at it. It's not like an overnight thing. It's really hard to like, I guess, I don't know, it's different. That's what I like about it.
In sports medicine, there's different levels that we have. In sports medicine 1, it's basically an anatomy class, but you get more in depth with injuries and bone types and stuff like that. Sports med 2 is more of application and how you would use it in an athletic training room. And then you get to go into an internship if you pass all those levels, and then those internships have endless possibilities to where you can go and apply your experience from class.
Definitely the coolest thing about sports medicine is to be able to go like all the way and go straight like into that internship program. Right now, like I'm at the hospital and I get to see, injuries like firsthand, and it's been like you go through rotations, so you're able to see like different like aspects of every single like career that you could like possibly go into, and I really enjoy that because it's been able to like narrow down like my choices, and like I prefer to go to some and then not to like others.
HOSA is Health Occupation Students of America. It's a club that kind of ties into sports medicine, but what it is if you are a student interested in going into the health field, you should definitely look into it, because we do a lot of community service. We do a lot of things that we donate to different organizations that help with mental illness or lymphoma and leukemia, and different organizations such as those. But we also compete in a state competition, and with that you have a chance to go and win prizes, and it's at a resort down in Tucson. It's an amazing experience. If you want to join sports med, I definitely suggest that you look into everything. Look into what you want to do as a career and anything else that you're possibly thinking of. If it's just an interest, that's also a great way to go. It's definitely something to look into just for anything that you want to do. If it's medical, if you just want to do something fun and help out, that's also just a great thing to get involved with.
Good luck. No, I'm just kidding. Not that. But to have fun with it, to like yeah, it can be difficult at times. Sometimes you're like, oh, why did I take this class? But I think it's all worth it. It's like a learning experience. You get to see things firsthand that you think you'd never see, and just have fun with it and see where it takes you.